Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and we're talking about ringtones on iOS 18. Even though Apple has done a great job with allowing us to now customize the icons on the home screen and also the control center on iOS 18, we still don't have a feature that would allow us to just set anything we want as a ringtone for our device. But thankfully, we have a pretty easy method that can help you achieve that in a couple of minutes. Now, first of all, what you need to do is install this free app called Ringtones Maker. I'll leave it linked right down below in the description of the video. Now, once you have installed the app, all you have to do is just open the app and tap this little plus button right there, and you will have a few different options right here. Now you can import a sound from a video, so if you have a video that has some music or anything else that you want to set as a ringtone, you can do that, and then you can upload from your PC, or you can tap on more and it allows us to record something, import from Apple Music, or import from your files, or even other apps. So we're going to import something from our files here, so we just tap right there, and then we have a few things, and here we have something that we want to import, so let's import that song right there, and there we have it. Now what you can do now is tap on it, and it will give you the option to edit this ringtone, music, whatever that is. We tap on clip, and from here we can choose to enable a fade in, a fade out. We can cut the song anywhere we want here. Now when you set it as a ringtone, it will be cut from the end going forwards to 30 seconds, but you can also cut the beginning here and just set the start of the song to any second you want. Once you're done with all that, you tap the done button, and now it will be saved. Now once the song is saved, all you have to do now is just export it to GarageBand. You will need GarageBand just to save it. You don't need to do anything else there, so it's actually very easy. Now GarageBand is free from the App Store. If you don't have it on your device, I will leave it linked right down below in the description of the video. So tap on the song you just saved and then tap on Make, and it will show you right here the share sheet, and you should see GarageBand right here. If you don't see it, tap on More, and you will see there GarageBand. You tap on Edit, tap that little plus button, and then tap the Done button. Done again, and there we have now GarageBand. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, it's opening it now right here on GarageBand. And here on GarageBand, all you have to do is just 3D touch on the song and then tap the share button and then tap on ringtone, and it will say that it will be adjusted to 30 seconds. So you tap continue right here. You can change the name there if you want to, or if not, just tap on export and it will be exported as a ringtone for your device. Now all you have to do is just head on to settings. Once you go to your settings, all you have to do is just tap on sounds and haptics and then go under ringtone, and right here you will have the sound you just saved, and now you can go ahead and set it as a ringtone for your device. It's as easy as that. So these are the few simple steps that you need to take in order to set any song that you want as a ringtone for your iPhone. Thank you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. The links to the apps will be right down below in the description of the video. Leave a like if you found it helpful and you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.